Hello, you're looking at my Suzuki Jimny. It's a 2024 model, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood or the bonnet on this Suzuki Jimny. Okay, come around to the driver's side door. This is a right-hand drive car, so it's on the right-hand side, and open the driver's door, and then down under the dash on the right hand side there is a lever that you have to pull. That's the first step in the process. See the little, you can see the hood or the bonnet up on that car there, so pull that lever towards yourself, and that releases the hood, and the bonnet pops up as the lever is pulled. So next, come round to the front of the car and put your hand under the hood there and slide it from right to the left, and you'll feel a lever. There's a close-up of the lever, and as my hand moves from right to the left, it pushes that lever over to the left, and that releases, that's the second step, it releases that hook that holds the bonnet in place. And while that lever is pushed over to the left, that completes the release of the bonnet. And then it's just a matter of grabbing that black arm there, popping it out of that white little clip, lifting it up and inserting it into the special hole. And that'll keep the hood or the bonnet supported while it's open. Okay, that's how you open the bonnet or hood on a Suzuki Jimny. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.